everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to talk about weekly tasks and household management. I actually have an ebook on this subject, so if you want to check out my shop, you can go look at that. But I'm going to briefly talk about some of the things that I use, some tools that I've created to help manage those non-school related tasks that you have as far as being a homemaker. So my job as a homeschool mom is not only to plan out our lessons and our days and our schedule for our lessons, but I have a whole other world of things that I have to work on, like meal planning, grocery pickup, coordinating, all of the things. So I've learned over many years in the linen closet.
I can't look for it.
You gotta try. Okay. So I've learned over several years a few different things about running a home, and then when I had kids I realized I really needed to get myself organized. So here are some helpful tips that I find useful in my day-to-day. So the first thing is to just really create a daily schedule for yourself, a weekly schedule. I have a timetable for my kids' lessons, but on that timetable I made sure to include things like our wake up times, my Bible reading time, my workout time, time that I have to work, time that I have for leisure, and then our family time is also scheduled. So creating a schedule is helpful even if your kids aren't in school yet. Just creating some sort of rhythm, like on Thursdays we always go to this park, on Tuesdays we always get our groceries on Tuesdays, and again I talk a lot about this in my ebook that I wrote about household management, and I think there's a rhythms and routines ebook that's helpful too. But that's one of my biggest tips, is to just kind of create a schedule for yourself, even if it's not an hour by hour. Just a day by day schedule of assigning each task a day is super crucial. I'm going to share with you my little command center. I took a video of it before I came up here where it's quieter, but the command center has these little things that I've created. It's just a sheet. I have two little sheets here, my weekly task checklist and then my weekly cleaning checklist. And I know this seems super type A, I may or may not be type A, but it's actually something that has helped keep me organized. I don't forget to fill up the soap in the bathrooms anymore because I have it on my weekly cleaning checklist. So do I get to every single thing every day on this list? Sometimes, but I'm going to show you guys what these look like in just a second, so hang on tight and I'll show you what is exactly on these. So this is the weekly task checklist, and I keep it with the weekly cleaning checklist because they kind of are one and the same. It's important. Like, I have cleaning task girls, so I look down and say, okay, girls, that's bedrooms, kitchen, bathroom, living room. Okay, girls, that's the task I'm doing on Sunday. So I promise it's not as confusing as it looks. So let's start from Monday. So Monday, I look at my list of things I need to get done, and I take a dry erase marker and I just check off each task as I get it done. So every morning when I wake up, I put in a load of laundry. This just allows me to get going on laundry and not save it for one day of the week. So I have that on most of the days. And then things like getting our homeschool work done, I have that on all the days we homeschool. I have coffee I have to make, meat I have to set out on Mondays, and then my cleaning tasks. So I see it says bedrooms, so I'll look at my cleaning checklist here and look at the bedrooms, and these are the things I complete on the cleaning checklist for Monday. And then we move on to Tuesday, and I have my things I try to do every day, like a load of laundry, work out, homeschool. So then on Tuesday, I have my usual tasks, and then on that day I also meal plan and I place my grocery order because we have grocery pickup on Wednesday. And then my cleaning task for Tuesday is the living room. So I look at my cleaning task checklist and I say living room, okay, these are the things I need to do in the living room, and I'll check those off. And then on Wednesday, I have my things that I try to do. Shower just means I'm washing and blow drying my hair and curling it. I don't do that every single day. I'll just quickly rinse off, but this is like a long shower, so I make sure to schedule that in. You guys, as a mom, you can never schedule too many things in that you need to get done because it won't get done if I don't put it on my schedule. Okay, library day is on Wednesdays right now. So this is when I go get the library books. I reserve them on this day, and I'll explain that in a minute. So then my cleaning task for this Wednesday is the kitchen. And so you can look at my task checklist here, and it says kitchen, okay, clean out the fridge, clean out the counters. And I have that on this day because that's when I pick up groceries. So Thursday I have my load of laundry, I work out, my usual homeschool, and then I make pizza dough on that day because we have pizza on Fridays for dinner every Friday. So then my cleaning task is the bathrooms. So I look at my cleaning task checklist. There's the bathrooms. There's all the things I need to get done in the bathroom. And then on Fridays, we're not home very much of the day because we have nature study. So I put my load of laundry in, we go to nature study, we finish up our notebooking, and then we have family game night on Friday nights. But I don't have a lot of my other tasks on this day because I'm not home that day, whereas I'm home all the other days, if that makes sense. And then Saturday I don't have on here because that's our family Sabbath. We have a specific schedule we follow for that, and we don't do any of this cleaning and all that. And then Sundays, I have another shower day where I wash my hair, and then I prepare for the homeschool week. I bake the bread. If I have bread I need to make, typically I do, and then I make granola for the week as well. You'll see more about that in my breakfast menu. And then we have a family meeting every Sunday, and this allows me and my husband to talk about the budget, the all the stuff we need to talk about. So we schedule that in every week. So Sundays I do my girls cleaning task, which is basically just rotating our books, rotating our toys, sharpening pencils, and refreshing our craft supplies. So this is my weekly cleaning checklist. Like I said, it kind of correlates with my task checklist, but these are the things that I do when I have to complete that task. So something else that I feel like is very helpful is planning out all of my meals. So I make a monthly meal plan, and I sit down and I make a seasonal menu, and then I assign each item from that menu. This is for dinners, and I'll say, okay, on the 1st of October we're having this meal, the 2nd of October we're having this meal, and I pretty much make a seasonal menu for the month, and then I just use that menu 3 times in a season, right? So like for 3 months, and then that's for autumn, and then I'll make a new menu for winter and then a new one for spring. So like I'll eat more soups in the colder months and more salads in the warmer months. But planning out your meals ahead of time will save you so much stress, especially if you're home with a lot of kids. So my other tip with meal planning is not only planning out your dinners by month, and then each week when you order your groceries or you go grocery shopping, you can just look at the meals you already have assigned to those days and make your grocery list. And I do that once a week, and I'll show you that on my weekly task checklist. But so the other thing is just making a permanent breakfast menu, and I have these in my pantry. You can see exactly where I put them in this little clip here, but I just keep them right where I look every single day when I go to my pantry to find out what I'm going to feed my children and my family. And I have a breakfast menu and a lunch menu, and so these menus live on the wall in my pantry, or on the door rather, and they just help me not have to think about what I'm going to make for breakfast and for lunch. You can see what these look like up close in just a second. So these hang in my pantry, and I wrote these out just so that I didn't have to think about what I'm making for breakfast on any given day. So on Mondays, we always have the same thing. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. Sometimes I'll deviate from this if we have leftovers. I'm not married to it by any means, but this helps me just kind of take the thinking out of any of the stuff I want to make each day, and I don't really have to think about what I'm going to cook. Same for lunches. We're very simple. If we're not doing leftovers, I'm doing one of these. A lot of times we'll just have leftovers, so we'll deviate from the menu there. But this is my like master lunch menu. So Mondays we just have a pasta salad or a cabbage salad. Tuesdays, the hummus snack tray or guacamole snack tray. This is typically like fruits and veggies, maybe cheese. And then we'll do omelets or burritos on Wednesdays. Thursdays we do tuna salad or chickpea salad. Fridays, we have nature studies, so we're not home. Saturdays, we go on a family hike, so we're not home that day. And then Sundays, we have our Sunday tea, and then I have my meal plan that I follow for that. So anyway, those are my breakfast and lunch menus. They're extremely helpful. I highly recommend you do this, and you can always change it around if you feel like you want to change your meals. You could change them seasonally. But these are super helpful. So there's those. So with my weekly cleaning checklist, I also have a monthly cleaning checklist. And on the first of the month, I complete all of these tasks on this little checklist here. And you can see what that looks like in just a moment. And then as part of the monthly cleaning checklist, I have an appliance cleaning checklist. This helps remind me to clean my washer, to clean my oven, to clean out my dishwasher filter, those things that you don't think about day to day because you're so busy. It allows them to still get completed once a month. So this is super useful. And then the other thing I have is my yearly home maintenance checklist. All of these things are available for download on my website, so I'm going to link that in the description and you can see that right there. But this has things like check smoke detector, carbon monoxide, just things that you want to think about yearly. And this isn't comprehensive, but this is just things that we have for our specific home, so just remember that. So here's my yearly home maintenance checklist. Like I said, this will be available on my website, but these are just the things that I have, like checking the smoke detectors, draining the water heater, inspecting the fire extinguishers, resealing the deck, checking the crawl space for moisture, all that fun stuff. I do not do a lot of this, my husband does, but it just helps us stay organized and remember to get it all done. So that's that. And then we have here my monthly cleaning checklist. And like I said, the first of each month I look at this and it tells me what things I need to focus on for just monthly cleaning. So these aren't things that need to be done weekly. I have the garbage disposal being cleaned, just wiping down the fridge. I do this weekly too, but I like to do it monthly as well. Wiping out the washing machine and cleaning it. Cleaning our fans above the stove, windows and blinds, walls and baseboards, kitchen cabinets. Cleaning the coffee maker with the vinegar solution versus just rinsing in soap and water. Sharpening our knives, restocking the pantry essentials. So I look at like our dry food stock and all of that. And then haircuts for the whole family and washing both cars. We do this more than just monthly, but so yeah. And then this is our appliance maintenance. So after we do the monthly checklist, we make sure to maintain all the appliances. So washer, dryer, refrigerator, oven, dishwasher, shower, and then checking any light bulbs. And we do this monthly as well. So I just check each thing off as I complete it. So that's really all the things that I do. Like I said, I keep the weekly task checklist and the weekly cleaning checklist on my fridge next to our family timetable, which is our schedule. And then I have my big acrylic calendar where I share or where I keep our play dates and important dates for my husband's job and important dates for our family. And then I also write down our meal plan for the week on that too, so that everyone can see what we're having for dinner. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope this was helpful. I know that I talked fast, but I'm trying to keep videos short so you can watch them in between your busy lives. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.